If you're choosing between LemFi and Remitly for sending money overseas, you're probably wondering which one gives you the best combination of speed, low fees, and reliability. In this video, we'll compare both services side by side so you can decide which one fits your needs better. Let's begin with LemFi. LemFi has quickly grown in popularity, especially among immigrants sending money home. One of its biggest advantages is cost. Many of LemFi's transfer routes come with low or even zero fees, which makes it an attractive option for frequent senders. LemFi also offers fast delivery. Some transfers arrive almost instantly, especially when sending to mobile wallets. Another advantage is the competitive exchange rates, which often beat traditional remittance providers. However, LemFi has its limitations. It doesn't support as many countries as Remitly, and some users report occasional account verification delays or temporary transfer holds. So while it's affordable and fast, it may not always offer the widest coverage. Now, let's take a look at Remitly. Remitly is one of the most trusted global remittance platforms, serving over 100 countries. Its biggest strength is flexibility. You can send money to bank accounts, mobile wallets, cash pickup locations, and in some regions, even door-to-door delivery. Remitly also offers two transfer speeds: the express option, which delivers money in minutes, and the economy option, which is slower but more affordable. While Remitly is widely used and highly reliable, its fees can sometimes be higher than LemFi's, especially if you're using a credit card. Its exchange rates also vary depending on the transfer speed you choose. So, which service is the best? If you want the lowest fees and fast delivery and your receiving country is supported, LemFi is a great choice. It's ideal for quick, wallet-to-wallet transfers at low cost. But if you need broader country coverage, multiple payout options, and a proven global network, Remitly is the safer, more flexible option. In the end, the best service for you depends on what matters most: speed, cost, or convenience. If this video helped you compare LemFi and Remitly, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more helpful remittance guides like this. Thanks for watching.